From under the front bumper, we're going to go ahead and remove this panel right here. We essentially just want to take out the mounting bolts for it so we can go ahead and pull it away. That way there we have access inside here. Now we can pull this away, and of course you can hold it back with whatever you've got. Now that we have that out of the way, we have a nice clear view of this area here. I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect the wiring so I can get it out of the way. There's a little tab on this side and one right over there. Just go ahead and pull them away and draw this down. If you wanted to, you could also disconnect this just to give yourself a little bit more access. Set that aside. Now that we have the wiring off of there, we're going to come along to these tabs right here, these little chrome tabs. You can just carefully pry in between these and then it'll start separating it. All right. Now that we have the outer portion off, let's come back inside the bumper. The next thing I want to do is start squeezing on these tabs. As I squeeze, I'm going to carefully push it towards the front. There we are. Now while I try to press this out and rotate it so I can get around these hooky-doos, I'm going to come from the outside and I'm going to make sure it doesn't fall out. There it is, friends. Now it's time to install our brand new fog lamp. Let's go ahead and take that from the outside. I'm going to put the little fork so the hooky-doos coming through first, and then we'll rotate this in. Line these up and snap it in. Give it a little wiggle and make sure it's secure. Line it up and press it in. All right, we've got that pressed in. Just come along back and you just want to make sure all of your tabs are pressed in. After that, let's go ahead and start reconnecting the wiring. There's one. Give them both a tug. Start on all of your bolts before you snug any of them up. Now that they're all snug, let's snug them up. All you have left to do now is just go ahead and test out your fog lamp.